Question 10. The roots of this equation are alpha and alpha plus 3d. Express C in terms of D. Alright. So this equation, okay, let's take out the A, B and C. So here A is 1, B is -8 and C is just C. Okay. Now we do our SOR and POR. Our sum of roots will be alpha plus 3d, which is 2 alpha plus 3d. Our product of roots will be alpha times alpha plus 3d, which is alpha square plus 3 alpha d. And our sum of roots, the formula will be negative b over a. Product of roots is c over a. So negative b over a is 2 alpha plus 3d. Over here, c over a is alpha square plus 3 alpha d. Okay, this one we can clean up a bit. So negative 8 will become positive 8. So 8 equals to 2 alpha plus 3d. Here will be c equals to alpha square plus 3 alpha d. Okay. So we got two equations. This equation is in terms of alpha and d. This equation, alpha, c and d. We don't want alpha. We only want c in terms of d. So what we can do is, we can make alpha the subject. So from here, 2 alpha is 8 minus 3d. Okay, the 3d I brought it here. 2 alpha. Okay. So alpha is 8 minus 3d over 2. Then we can sub this inside this alpha. So c will be 8 minus 3d over 2 square plus 3 8 minus 3d over 2 times d. Okay, then we try to expand this. Wow, this one is quite an expansion. So this whole thing square, you get 3 different terms. The first one is 8 square, which is 64. Second one will be 2 times 8 times negative 3d. So we can use our calculator here. 2 times 8 times negative 3, which is negative 48d plus 9d square. Over 4. And then here also we expand. 3 times 8 is 24 minus 9d over 2. And this whole thing almost times d as well. Okay, let's clean up some space. Delete this. Let's delete this also. Let's solve this. So here, if you multiply d inside, we will get 24d minus 9d square over 2. This one will remain lah. Just duplicate this here. Plus. Okay. Next, we have to make the denominators same. So this one we times 2, this one also we times 2. So this one we duplicate again, no changes here. And this part will become 48d minus 18d square over 4. Now the denominators have become the same now. So now we can add 64 minus 48d plus 9d square plus 48d minus 18d square over 4. Negative 48, positive 48 cancels out. So this will leave us with then here we get 64. 9d square minus 18d square will be negative 9d square over 4. So this can't be simplified further, therefore this will be our answer. So C in terms of D.